Hello students, I am Shekhar Srivastava, certified Udemy instructor, having already given you 10 courses on the Udemy portal. This is my latest course on angel investing for the startups. This course is very useful for you in either of the roles of an investor or an entrepreneur. This course gives the finer details of how you can invest in an enterprise as an investor and get handsome returns and also fulfill your abilities, your skills as an entrepreneur in the past and derive a lot of satisfaction. And if you are an entrepreneur raising angel funds, then also it will help you in raising the angel funds in a good way, as also get the mentoring from the angels. There is everything to gain from the course. It is a win-win course for you. I have designed this course in several parts. I will give you an intro here and then definitions, what is an angel investment, why it is called angel investment, then the components, what are the components of angel investment, the stages, at what stages the angel investment is used. I will mention here also seed stage, startup stage and the early stage are the stages when the angel funds are used. Then I will give you the parties in the angel investment deal. What are the parties? Angel investor, you as an entrepreneur, or you as an investor and the entrepreneur with the enterprise, and then the platform. An investor can invest either as a lone wolf, singly, or as a part of a syndicate called the network. These are the ways in which investment can be made. Then the types of investments. What types of investments are there? Which includes bootstrapping, crowdfunding, then angel investing, then private equity, and bank finance also. Overall, this course is very useful and you stand everything to gain from this. Please make full use of it and succeed in your endeavors. I wish you Godspeed in whatever you do. Wish you good luck. All the best. See you again soon. Bye bye.